Our society is extremely complex and built upon various pillars. One of them is the honeybee. 1 in 3 of our food is made by honeybees. They are so important that if bees were to die out, thousands of plants would follow, which would lead to mass starvation. On top of that, honeybees have a huge economic influence. Food we take for granted would stop existing, or there would be a loss of productivity of them. Fruits and vegetables would be gone, and that would be catastrophic, not only to us, but also to other animals of the world, leading to a large drop of multiple populations of species. Millions of hives have died over the past few years, and beekeepers have lost from 30 to 90% of their hives. In Australia alone, this figure is from 5 million hives in 2012 to 2.5 million hives in today. Over the past few decades, bees have faced many parasites. Parasites like the Acarapi woody are microscopic mites that affect the bee's trachea. They feed off the fluids in the bees.
Then there is the Varroa destructor, which reproduce in the honeybee hives. They lay eggs on the larva before the bees cover it with wax. Then the mites weaken the baby bee so it can still leave the hive. When the bee leaves the hive, the mite continues to spread to other vulnerable bees and continue the process.
In a few months, this would lead to the collapse of the entire beehive. Viruses and fungi could also lead to the death or defects of bees. Over the few years, new insecticides like neonicotinoids, which contain nicotine, attack the insects' nervous systems, and today is the most used insecticide. They make up to 24% of the insecticide market. In 2017, this insecticide was used on about 95% of crops, and also on the vast majority of fruit, vegetables, and nuts. These insecticides come into contact with the honeybees when they come to collect pollen, and spread it when they go back to their hive, killing slowly the entire colony. The toxins harm bees by paralysis or death. Even in small doses, it could be fatal. If this happens often enough, the hive will soon die. Other factors leading to the death of bees are genetic uniformity, crop monocultures, poor nutrition due to overcrowding, stress from human activity, or other pesticides. All these problems together result in a colony collapse disorder. This could be catastrophic if all bees died. This is a problem we aim to solve to have an abundance of food. Humanity is connected with Earth and other life forms, so we need to take better care of our surroundings, if not for the beauty of nature, then for our survival, because it matters.